The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?
Hello, my friend. Are you feeling stuck in life? Do you wish you could do more, be more, and have more success? If you're in your 30s, whether you're married, single, have kids, or are hoping to start a family, this message is for you. I want to teach you a simple 4-step formula to help you go from feeling like you're falling behind to being a hero in 2025. If you follow each step, I'm confident you will experience greater success, not just this year, but for many years to come. Guarantee it. When I was 18, I joined the military. It turned out to be both the hardest and most important decision of my life. When I left the military in 2008, I felt lost. I had no clear plan for my future, struggled with drinking, smoked heavily, and was a brand new father with no idea how to be a good dad. Things got so bad that one night, overwhelmed with hopelessness, I took off all of my clothes, fell to my knees, and cried out to God, begging for help to change my life. And you know what? He answered. Yeah! Through that struggle, I learned 4 powerful principles my father taught me. 4 steps that turn my life around. I want to share them with you because I believe they can change your life too. First part of the formula is, number 1, master. Master the core principles of leadership and management. Every hero needs a solid foundation. Imagine trying to save the world without knowing how to use your powers. That is why you must master the core principles of leadership and management, starting with yourself. How do you make decisions under pressure? How do you inspire others to follow your lead? It's about becoming the kind of person who can be trusted with big responsibilities because you've proven you can handle the small ones first. Imagine 2 brothers. One was born into royalty, destined to be king, while the other was adopted into the family. The prince, despite his title, struggled with leadership, and he didn't take the time to learn how to manage well, often making decisions without understanding his people. Meanwhile, the adopted brother, though starting with no status, took every opportunity to grow his leadership attributes and did well in managing his responsibilities. Over time, he became more respected and influential than the prince because he mastered the core principles of leadership and management. And guess what? He became king.
Life's not fair, is it? You see, I shall never be king.
Success starts with mastering the basics. To lead others effectively, you first need to lead yourself. This means developing self-discipline, emotional intelligence, and decision-making skills. Mastering the principles of leadership and management will aid you with continuous growth. Learning how to handle conflict, motivate a team, and make wise choices under pressure. But here's the twist. You can't master the core principles of leadership and management without this. Number 2, develop. You must develop a stewardship mindset. Picture your life as a garden. Developing a stewardship mindset means taking care of what you already have. Your time, talents, and resources so they can bloom. Stop waiting for more and start working with what you have. Are you managing your time wisely? Are you sharpening the skills you already own? Growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you nurture what's already in your hands. Stewardship mindset is not something they teach you as a kid. Growing up, I don't ever remember being taught specifically on how to be a good steward. When I understood how important it is, my mindset was changed forever. Think of your skills, time, and connections like tools in a toolbox. Ask yourself, am I using my time wisely? Am I investing in my talents? Am I building quality relationships? Stewardship means being intentional with what you've been given instead of waiting for the perfect moment. Because guess what? You don't wait for the perfect moment. You create the perfect moment.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Once you have a stewardship mindset, that will help you do this. Number 3, achieve. Learn how to achieve higher efficiency and organization. This isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter and wiser. Efficiency and organization allow you to make progress faster without burning out. This includes planning your days, setting specific goals, and cutting out distractions. When you understand this, you can turn your ambitions into real milestones. I had a friend who was terrible at keeping his place organized and clean. His life always reflected his house, cluttered and disorganized. I realized his thinking was the same way. Because of that, he wasn't able to achieve higher efficiency and organization, and he stayed stuck in a rut. I'm not sure what happened to him, but if you want to go from zero to hero in 2025, you must achieve being more effective and organized in your life. Imagine you're climbing a massive mountain. Achieving success isn't about sprinting aimlessly. It's about having the right gear, the right plan, and the right focus. This is where you break your dreams into actionable steps instead of cluttered thoughts. So you're not just busy, but truly productive. But even if you achieve higher efficiency and organization, you still won't make it in 2025 without this. Number 4, build. Hello friend, come here real quick. This is your daily reminder that leveling up is a must, not a choice. It's time to awaken your mind and take your professional and personal growth seriously.
Why so serious?
It's 2025. No more sitting on the sidelines. Get in the game. If you're enjoying our free content and you're getting value, then I would like to invite you to check out our Learning Academy. Right now, you can join our online academy free for 30 days. Use promo code LEVELUP at checkout. No payments up front. Cancel anytime.
Yeah!
We're also introducing a new leadership development curriculum called the Leadership and Management Mastery Methodology, or L3M for short. And it's only available at TAOLU Academy. That's right. Right now, we have a special L3M Starter Kit package that we're offering to anyone who is interested in learning more about this new methodology.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Here's what's included. A recorded video of a private talk we gave to business owners and students about the future of leadership development, a full breakdown video explaining the L3M model, a digital copy of the L3M model playbook, a visual learning tool of the L3M model, and a complimentary strategy call with me, where we can discuss more about the Academy, any challenges you're facing, or anything that is on your mind. You get all this for just a very low price, but only for a limited time. Don't wait. Click the link in the description and start leveling up today.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Number 4, build. Building resilience and adaptive skills. Life will throw challenges your way. Learning how to stay strong and adjust when things get tough will keep you moving forward. Every epic tale has a storm, challenges that test the hero's strength. Building resilience means learning how to stay strong when life hits hard. Adaptive skills, they're your mental armor, helping you adjust when plans fall apart. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. The more flexible you become, the more unstoppable you are. A few months ago, I witnessed autonomous humanoid robots that were able to move objects and do things that humans do. Countless humanoid robots work tirelessly at a car factory, building cars with little to no human interference. Right now, we have AI robots, drones, quantum computers. All of these new technologies are driving change and innovation forward. You have to keep up by learning adaptive and resilient skills that will help keep you relevant moving forward. You must be a lifetime learner in order to stay ahead of the curve. Whether it's personal struggles or professional setbacks, resilience and adaptability will determine how far you go. Building these abilities means developing a growth mindset, staying calm under pressure, and learning how to bounce back stronger after failures. True success comes not just from how high you climb, but how well you rise after falling.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix Legions, loyal servant to the true emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
Here's a thought I would like you to reflect on. What areas of your life do you feel the most stuck in right now? How would you apply this formula to help you break free and create the life you've always wanted? Here are some key takeaways. Everyone faces struggles, but personal growth can help you rise above them. This formula can help transform your leadership abilities, your mindset, and make you way more productive. Change is possible when you commit to learning and applying new habits. These 4 steps, master, develop, achieve, and build, create a blueprint for transformation and success. Start applying them today and watch how your life will transform in 2025. Let me know in the comment section if this info was high level or not. Watch the next video where I break down the idea that people are greater than profits. How to raise your net worth by becoming a better person. Till next time.
You is smart. You is kind. You is important.
Level up.